Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video because guess what? This is my first time shopping at Fashion Nova and I'm sharing my experience and my clothes with you guys. So be sure to continue watching. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Be sure to stay by clicking that red subscribe button down below and joining the family, just joining me on this YouTube journey that I've been on. If you are returning back, thank you so much for always coming back, tuning in and supporting your girl. So today I'm so excited to be sharing my experience with Fashion Nova and shopping with them for the first time ever. Honestly, I didn't know I would decide to shop Fashion Nova because I'm always a person that likes to shop in the stores, try on things, blah blah blah. For me to really purchase from an online store without trying it on first is a lot for me. I'm really excited that I did decide to shop Fashion Nova because their jeans are incredible. Jeans that you would not even find in the regular stores. So if you guys never shopped Fashion Nova before, be sure to check them out on their website or their app, whatever one you want to do, and just browse through their clothes because they have really cute things. They have a variety of jeans, they have jackets, they have shoes, they cater to curvy girls, they cater to men, and I really appreciate that about them too. So if you guys want to just check them out, the link will be down below. A rumor that I heard that actually convinced me to shop with Fashion Nova was the fact that they have jeans that fit the body. If you have a little bit of a booty or a lot of a booty, they cater to girls with a smaller waist and a bigger butt. And I have a butt and I have a tiny waist, so it's always been hard for me. It's always been hard for me to find jeans that fit me really tight around the waist. I've always wanted to find some jeans that I didn't have to wear a belt for, but hug the waist really well. And finally, I've been convinced to shop Fashion Nova and I found the answer to all my problems on their website. So if you have that issue and you need help trying to find a perfect pair of jeans, go to Fashion Nova because they cater to girls like us. So they just had a sale on jeans, which I took advantage of. Buy one pair of jeans, get the other one for free. And I did that, and I also took advantage of the Labor Day sale. This caught my attention, the Bad and Bougie Mood sweatshirt, and they had it in the black. So I was like, you know what, black goes with everything, why not? So I purchased this, and I was so excited because I love tops. Well, I love sweatshirts, number one. And number two, I was like, this is kind of cute because this is my mood almost all the time. So I really love it. It's a nice cotton feel. It's really soft. Wear it with leggings, with jeans. You can probably wear it with some shorts, whatever. We're already in the season of autumn. I thought this was perfect. I can wear this to class and always style it up or style it down. And it's so soft. This one was $10.79. I'm not sure if it's still on sale, like I said. And when you receive your items, they will provide you with a slip so you'll know all the prices and the final sales. Next, we're moving on to a pair of jeans that I purchased. These jeans are called the Sign of Times ankle jeans. They are in a dark denim and they were $19.80. These are by far my favorite jeans like ever. My favorite jeans that I've ever purchased. High-waisted jeans that have a belt. I feel like they're unique. They fit perfectly. They just show my shape so well. I love them so much. I've worn them already. I couldn't help myself. I received these jeans a few days ago and I just had to wear them. I wore them to class. I can style them up, style them down. I can wear heels with them. I can wear sneakers with them. I can wear a low sandal with them. They are perfect. They just fit to my waist like a glove. And the belt just gives them like an extra sass to them because you don't see many jeans with, you know, like a belt to them like this. I feel like it looks good with a top that you can tuck in. These jeans just really show off my curves and my booty. It shows off the booty. So if you want some jeans, high-waisted jeans that show off the booty, that's cute, that's unique, and just gives you a different look from the basic jean, definitely pick up these. I wear size 5 in jeans, 5'6", and I was able to purchase these jeans in a size small and they fit. And the good thing I didn't even mention, these jeans are absolutely stretchable. They stretch so wide, so the stretch is absolutely amazing. But yeah, that's that. These are the jeans. I'm moving to my blouse that I purchased. It is the off-white blouse. It is called the You Belong With Me blouse. And I am so in love with this top. It is so cute. So I like this part of the blouse. It allows you to wear a push-up bra and show a little bit of cleavage, you know, a little fun, a little flirty. Nothing wrong with that. And being that I don't have much boobs, if I wear a push-up bra with this, it shows a little something. So I love it. This is a kind of top that has to be hand washed, but you can always just wash it on delicate. So that's what I'm going to do. So far I've worn it twice, and I've worn it with the high-waisted jeans, and it is such a cute combination. I wanted to go for this top because it is a long sleeve. I was basically shopping for autumn, and then you have an extra button that they provide you in the inside. So if you do lose one, you have an extra. I wanted to get this blouse in olive green, like the top I have on now, and they also had like a burgundy. The tops in different colors were more money than the off-white top, so I don't really understand that. But hopefully, I'm pretty sure for Black Friday these tops are gonna go on sale, and I'll be able to get the other colors as well instead of just sticking to this one. I'm a really small cup, so if you don't have any boobs, it's okay. It is fine. I don't have any either, but this top will show that you do have a little something. Trust me. And I wanted to also say that this top was in a size small. At first, it was really tight to put on when I first got it, but now it has a great stretch to it. That is that. I love this top. So in love, so in love. And if you want to pick it up, just type in You Belong With Me top and it should come up. So now moving on to my lounge set. I decided to go for a lounge set because I think it's perfect for just working out, whether I'm on my way to the gym, whether I'm on my way to the mall. I mean, I can style this up or style it down, but I decided to go for this jogger set. It's a nice fitted jogger set, and this is a size small in the pants, in the jogger pants. And this is a crop top, a crop sweatshirt. I paid separate for each piece. So the crop hoodie was $16.79 and the joggers were $15. So I did pay separate, but it's okay. It was all good because they were on sale. I love, love, love this lounge set. It's something like what Kim Kardashian wore, but she had on the sock booties, and I feel like I can wear the sock booties with this look. It'll look really cute. And I love the color. It's in the color mocha. So these joggers are tight in the ankle area. So I feel like I can wear a cute pair of heels, like sock heels, like sock booties with these. And they'll look really, really cute. I feel like it's perfect for autumn. I'm really excited to wear it, especially when I get my heels. I'm going to slay this look. Crop sweatshirt fits perfectly. I wanted to get it into a small because I didn't want it to be too big for me. They fit good in the waist area, but I just feel like I should have got a size medium. And I feel like if I do return it, the sale won't be on anymore. Obviously, I don't think they're on sale anymore, so kind of like I gotta make these work. So I'm gonna try to make these work as best as possible. With that being said, I'm gonna keep these and I'm just gonna make them work. This lounge set is called the Don't Miss Me lounge set, and I think it's a perfect name because it's like I'm lounging around, I don't miss anyone. Boy, bye. You can do what you want to do. Bye. Anyway, moving to the next bag. I took everything out except for the magazine that they gave me and the receipt. This is the magazine that they sent me for the fall collection. I'm loving this look here. This is really cute. I'm thinking about purchasing something from the fall collection, but I really want to purchase some boots. I want to purchase some like cute booties that they have, and I've been looking at one pair. I've looked at one or two pairs so far, and I love their shoes, but I'm just like, I'm a little nervous because honestly, my feet are so weird to the point where I can order a size 8 and Fashion Nova shoes might run smaller, they might run bigger. So I only got two things from my second purchase. It was a pair of jeans and it was a top. It was buy one get one free, so I got the top for free and I paid $20 for the jeans. This is the top that I purchased. So I love this top here. It is so cute. It's not just a basic black top. It has a little design on the sides and I'm able to tighten it up there. And it's a long sleeve and it's not too hot. It's not like a hot material. It's perfect for the autumn. So it's in a size small. It comes to a perfect length. It has like the tie up on the side, so it gave it a little bit more of a edgy look. It's perfect to wear with a pair of black jeans, high-waisted denim jeans, whatever you want to do. This top is called the Never Tied Up top. I feel like Fashion Nova has the cutest names for their items, and the names are like so catchy. But I think this was only in a color black. I think they might have other colors, but I believe it was only black. They did have it in white. I would have purchased white, but they might have, I think they only have black. I don't have many black tops. I have a lot of summer black tops, but not a lot of winter black tops. Next, I have jeans. So these are the You Had Me at Hello tie waist boyfriend jeans. They're in the color Acid Wash. But my huge dilemma is they're too big. When you purchase jeans, always try to look at the image as best as possible. I'm to a point where now I have to return these, pay for shipping, wait another 4 days, and get a gift card because this was final sale. I didn't get the right size, so that causes me now to have to get a gift card, not my money back because they don't give money back, and purchase them again, and hopefully they're still on sale. I should have got like a size 3 instead of a size 5. I didn't realize that they ran wide, and I should have known looking at the picture and looking at the model, but I didn't really pay attention. I should have either gotten a size 0 or a size 3. They're so cute. I love the acid wash. I don't even have a pair of acid wash jeans. There weren't any reviews saying like they ran big, get a size this, get a size that maybe. It was nothing like that like the other pair of jeans that I purchased. It was more reviews and more people saying the sizing. But for this, it was no one saying anything about they ran wide. So I'm going to be leaving a review saying, you know, they run big, so try to get as small of a size as possible. But I really wanted to wear them tomorrow, but now I can't. As you can see, the legs is huge. That's that. I love the jeans, I love the style, I love everything, but they're just not my size. So I'm really disappointed in myself for that. Nothing else. I don't have anything else. I do plan on purchasing some more items from Fashion Nova for Black Friday. So I had bought one thing from Fashion Nova. Come to find out, I ordered it weirdly. Very weird situation. They didn't send the item. I don't know if they didn't have it in stock. I don't know what it was, but they refunded me half my money back instead of the whole amount. I guess it was final sale, but it was kind of weird. They didn't even say anything like, oh, it was out of stock, you know, prior to me purchasing. Nothing like that. So I just felt like Fashion Nova could work on that aspect of customer service. And I emailed them and they never responded back towards why I never received it and why I only received partial refund. So that's one thing that I didn't like about Fashion Nova, honestly. But for the most part, everything went lovely. I received my items in a timely fashion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like this video if you did, and comment down below any questions you have about these pieces or about Fashion Nova in general. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more fashion DIYs and hair videos. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.